Good morning, Internet. Well, today I thought I'd show you around the studio. I've done a bit of a makeover and my next door neighbour made me a beautiful table and I'm just thinking it's looking really sweet. So you're going to see some really gorgeous images in my unboxing videos, and let's have a look at what's happening in the studio. This is my studio and this is where I make my unboxing videos. And recently my next door neighbour made me this beautiful table. It was actually a piece of wood I had lying around, some old laminated hardwood, and he cut it and formed it and made this beautiful table, which will be great for doing guest interviews. Now, if you're curious about the setup here, we've got a 4-camera setup. There's a A-cam, which is a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K Pro. Theres a B-cam, which is a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K with a beautiful 50mm 1.2 Canon L mount lens, L series lens, and on the A-cam we're running the Iconic Sigma 18-35 zoom f1.8, and then on the C-cam I've got an FX30, or actually the FX30 has the Sigma 18-35, and the Blackmagic 6K Pro has a Sigma 24mm f1.4 prime lens. For the overhead, this is really for unboxing, so the overhead here is a Sony ZV-E10 with a Sigma 16mm prime f1.4 from memory, and I have a couple of little chairs here, which is kind of where the guests hang out at the end of the table. So me and a guest often sit here and have a chat about you know what. Over here is what's sometimes called Video Village. It's where I've got a screen for monitoring the preview of all of the cameras, so I can see all of the cameras. I've also got a Ninja V for doing screen recording of my laptop, because often I will be talking about something that's on the laptop. Say it might be a PowerPoint slide or a data sheet for a product, so I can do screen recording onto the Ninja V. The microphone setup here is the Rode NTG5, beautiful shotgun mic. It's just about perfect really for a 2-person setup here. Like to keep it simple with the mics. And the audio down here is a Sound Devices MixPre 3 Mark II, and underneath that is a power system, basically a portable power pack. It's a Squared X Handy 1000, and the reason for that is so I can have basically a cords-free, pretty much cords-free setup here for my Video Village. At the back is kind of just where all my props live, and a tool chest for all my video gear. And you know, the lighting's very simple. I like to keep it simple, so I've got a key light, which is a Nanlite 300B, the Forza 300B with a grid on it. And for a hair light, I've got an Aputure, I think it's a 100 watt, so it's variable by color temperature. So I usually have it set to 5600 Kelvin, sometimes a bit warmer. And this is my ingest station, also my zoom station. So over here I've got a small key light for doing training videos, and I've got a teleprompt with a fixed camera, a Canon with a wide-angle zoom on it, and I've also got a monitor screen that was reflected into the teleprompt, so I can basically be reading off a screen looking straight into the camera. Yeah, so this is often used for either Zoom sessions for training online, and also as an ingest station for the footage from the cameras. And that's kind of basically the setup. I do have a little chill out zone down the back here. I call it the green room. Kind of fun. Somewhere where people can hang out when they're waiting. I should turn a light on. Here we go. Right, so this is the green room. It's also a bit of a chill out zone at the end of the day when it's time to watch some streaming content. But also this screen here for people who come with my guests can watch the live feed from ACAM, and so they can kind of be out of the recording area but still involved in seeing what's going on. And as you can see, there's a lot of kit around here. This is all the systems, well, not all, this is a very small number of the systems here at the Smart Energy Lab. But anyway, there you go. This is my little recording setup for doing studio interviews, unboxing videos, sometimes pre-recorded training systems. Thanks for watching. See ya. Check it.